Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. So today we are going to learn about nouns in our English grammar. We are going to learn about nouns. Okay children, listen carefully. So here you are having a picture in which you can see a girl along with her dog. Okay, so what is that? This is a girl. Her name is Meena. She has a dog. The dog is Blackie. They live in a village. They call their village Gairigaon. So we are talking about the picture here, that this is a girl. And what is her name? The girl name is Meena. What is she having along with her? She is having a dog. She has a dog. The dog is called Blackie. The name of the dog is here Blackie. They live in a village. So, place. They live in a village. They call their village Gairigaon. The name of the village is Gairigaon. So, and here our dog is what, children? Animal. Okay, we are talking about a person. We are talking about an animal. We are talking about a place. No. So, all this, the name of the places, things, persons and animals. Or if we talk generally about all these are called as nouns. Okay children, see girl, Meena, dog, Blackie, village, Gairigaon. So all these about a person, place, animal or a thing are called as nouns. They are called as nouns. Clear children? So yes, we'll go to the next slide. So here if you see, some words are given and these words what we have given here are nouns. Okay, some begin with a small letter and others with a capital letter. If you see children here, what we are telling is these words what we are having here are called as nouns. Yes or no? As we said before, what did I say? Dog is an animal, village is a place, girl is a person. So all those come under nouns only. And these are the names of that particular things. That is, girl name is Meena, dog name is Blackie, Gairigaon is the name of the village. Okay, these are also nouns. Okay, but they are different in the sense they have a other name. In nouns only we are having so many types of nouns. So this is one type of noun and these are one type of nouns. Clear children? And see what is the difference here? Some small letter. Some begin with a small letter. Others with a capital letter. Okay, here this G also must be in small only. So when we say girl, G is small, dog, D is small, V, village, V is small here. Yes or no? So why these are in small letters? Because they are common nouns. They are common nouns. Common. Girl, any girl will come under dog, any dog without any name, girl without a name, village, a place without name. Those are called as common nouns. Okay children, we'll learn again about this in detail. And here if you see name Meena, that is the name of the girl is Meena. M is written in capital letter here. And Blackie, name of the dog, capital letter. Gairigaon, G capital letter, name of that village. So these names of any particular place, person, animal are written in capital letters. Why? Because they are proper nouns. What are they? Proper nouns in the sense if the person, animal, place, thing is common, we call it as common noun. If we call it by name, if we call the common nouns by name, then we call them as proper nouns, and proper nouns must always begin with the capital letter. No, we will write our names in capital letter only. The first letter of the name will always start by the capital letter. Yes or no, children? Yes, clear? Now, so here what we are telling, nouns are words that name people, places, animals or things. As I said, what are nouns? Nouns are words that name people, places, animals or things. Special names of people, places, animals or things are proper nouns. Special names, that's what I said. Special name, if we name any person, place or animal, that names will come under proper nouns. We call them as proper nouns, and that name must always be started with the capital letter. Name must always be started with the capital letter. Okay, children? See here. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals and things. No. So, these are like common nouns. These are like common nouns. We are just, they are just words telling that whether it is a girl, boy, dog, cat, cow or village, town, city, whatever it may be. Okay. They are just common nouns. Okay. If they have a special name for people, places, animals or things, these are called as proper nouns. We call them as proper nouns. See, as I said, girl in the sense any girl. Okay, any girl from your class. So, girl becomes a common noun. When we name her like Sita, in the sense, then that becomes a proper noun because we are talking about Sita. When teacher says Sita stand up, then Sita is a proper noun. When teacher says girls stand up, then we are not naming anybody. Teacher is asking all the girls to stand up. Then girl become the common noun. Okay, children? And same like that here, dog and village also. No name. We are just telling that it is a dog. They live in a village. So those are also common nouns. Clear, children? Okay. So if we name, particularly, then that nouns will come under proper nouns. As example here, Meena. Meena is a special name of a particular girl. No, that girl name is Meena. So then that Meena comes under proper noun. Okay. Blackie. Blackie is what, children? Name of the dog. Name of the dog. Okay. Blackie. Gairigaon. What is Gairigaon here? Name of the village. So, these names are the proper nouns. Understood, children? If we name it in general, in the sense, if we say boy, girl, man, woman, then animal or village, town, city, thing, anything in the sense toy, whatever it may be, things, okay? Then those are all common nouns. If we give them a name, then that become what? Proper nouns, okay? Proper nouns, and all the proper nouns must always begin with the capital letter. That you have to be very clear whenever you write a name of a person, a place or an animal, that always must begin with the capital letter. Clear, children? Okay. Now we'll go to the next work. What is it? Copy the nouns from the box in the right place. So here we are having a work for you, children. So listen carefully here. Remember to use capital letters for proper nouns. So here we are given some words here. So where we are having common nouns and also proper nouns. But what we have to do is, so we have to identify the common nouns and we have to write in these boxes, okay, under common nouns. And then what is there? Proper nouns, next one. and we have to identify the proper nouns and just write them under proper nouns. And proper nouns, how we have to write? How we have to start the proper noun? With the capital letter. Always with the capital letter for proper nouns. Okay, children? Okay, now we'll just do the work. So here if you see, city. City. Okay. What is his? City is a common noun or a proper noun? We are just telling that is a place. We are not giving any name. We are not telling Hyderabad or some other Tirupati, Chittoor, nothing. We are not telling that. We are just telling it is a city. Okay. What is that? Yes, it comes under common noun. City comes under common noun. Clear, children? Now the next one. Gopal. Gopal. What is it? Is it a name? Yes, this is a name. Okay. And which nouns are having names come under proper nouns. Okay. And we have to use the capital letter to write the proper noun. Okay. Always use the capital letter. So here goes our proper noun, that is Gopal. Clear, children? Now the third one. Here man again. Man. Common or proper noun, children? Yes, this is a common noun. Man. We are telling that man. That's all. We are not naming him. We don't know his name. So that is why it is a common noun. Pokhara. Pokhara means what? Name of a place. Name of the place, which comes under proper noun. Okay. Pokhara. This is proper noun. Okay, children. Now here Ramayana. Ramayana. What is it? Name? Is it a name or not? Yes, this is a name of a book. Okay, name of a book. What we said in nouns? Even things also. Not only person, animal, place, even things also come under nouns. Okay. And book is a thing. Book is a thing. And the name of the book is what? Ramayana. That is why this Ramayana comes under proper noun. As it is the proper noun, we have to write this in the capital letter. Okay. Okay, children, clear? Okay. Now, Simran. Simran. Is it a name or not? Yes, this is a name of a girl. Name of a girl. So, this belongs to proper noun. This belongs to proper noun. And S is capital. Remember, see, all proper nouns must start with a capital letter. So, I am just doing this capitals. I am writing with the capital letters only. Okay. And book. What did I say before? Book is a thing. Book is a thing. And that is why it comes under common noun. Common noun. Because this is a common noun, no need to write with the capital letter. You have to write with the small letter. B. Small letter. Clear, children? Yes. Now, the next one is tree. Tree. What is a tree? Again a thing. Again a thing. Okay. So, and did we name the tree? Did we say it is a mango tree, people tree, rose tree? Did we give a name to the tree? No, we just said that it is a tree. Tree, that's all. So, again it comes under common noun. Tree, common noun. Next comes what? Kathmandu. Kathmandu again is the name of the place. Name of a place. So, name words, where do we write that? Under proper nouns. Okay, children? Here comes Kathmandu. And it has to start with what? Capital letter. Okay? Capital letter. Name of the place. Kathmandu. Clear? Now here, stone. Stone. What is stone? A thing. So, because it is a thing, it comes under common noun. Okay, stone, no name. It's just a stone. Next one, Ganga. Ganga. What is this, children? Ganga may be a name of a river. Ganga may be a name of a girl or a woman. No, Ganga. So, naming word, proper noun here. And it has to start with the capital letter. Nepal, proper noun. Okay. Monkey. Yes, children, this is monkey. Monkey in the sense it's an animal. We are not giving a name to the a particular animal. No. So it is like it is what? Like a common noun. Yes. So our monkey comes under common noun. And now what is left here? The last one is country. Okay, country. Any country, India, America, China, Pakistan, any country. We are not naming the country here. So that is why this also comes under our what? Common noun. Clear, children? See, here you remember common nouns are always written in small letters and proper nouns are always written in the capital letter. I mean the first letter of the word, that is name, must start with the capital letter. Clear, children? Okay. Now we'll go to the next slide. So here what we have to do? We have to copy the sentences and we have to use capital letters for proper nouns. Same what we did there. Again here we have to use capital letters for proper nouns. So the first sentence for us is, he lives in a small town named Janakpur. He lives in a small town named Janakpur. Children, so where is the name here? And we are telling that he lives in a small town. Which is the name here? Yes. What is it? Janakpur. Okay, Janakpur. So this exercise you have to do at home. Take a book, okay, and pencil and start writing these sentences. I am already giving you the answers here. Thing is, you just practice them. Okay, try to write this first sentence here as in the question and just rewrite it. Write again the same sentence with the change. In the sense, what changing we are doing here? We are just writing that Janakpur in capital letter, the proper noun. That is, we are just mentioning the same word with the capital letter. You have to do this work at home. Okay, children? Okay. So this Janakpur has to be written in capital letter. I mean the first starting letter. Now the second one. He comes from Beijing. It is the capital of China. So here we are having two names. Two names. One is Beijing. Okay. Beijing is the capital city of China. Okay. China, a country. Okay. Name of a country. So because these are the names of places, again we have to make it in capital letter. Beijing. Okay. Here China. C capital letter. Okay, children. Here the third one. I have a cat. I call him Tommy. So I have a cat. I call him Tommy. Tommy is the name of my cat. So the first letter of the word Tommy must begin with a capital letter. That is T is a capital letter. Okay, children? Tommy. Now the fourth one. There is a river near the town. People call it the Bhagmati. There is a river near the town. People call it the Bhagmati. What is the name of the river, children, here? It is Bhagmati. Because it is a name, proper noun, that is B must be in capital letter. Okay, understood? So like this you have to use the capital letters for proper nouns. Okay, for proper nouns. Okay, children, clear? So we'll see the next one. My best friend is Hari. He lives in Chitwan. My best friend is Hari. What is the name of my best friend? Hari. Where does he live? He lives in Chitwan. So we are having two proper nouns here. One is name of a person, name of a place. So that is why here Hari must be written in capital letter and Chitwan, that is the name of the place, again in capital letter. Clear, children? So hope you all do these exercises at home. Okay. Now what is the next one? So fill in the blanks. So here just write like this. Again, this is also your homework, children. You just copy these sentences and in this blank areas, that is you are having here, no, this blank areas, no, these columns you have to fill it up. Like what is your name? Like my name is dash, I live in dash, my school's name is dash. Okay, dash is the name of my country, dash is the name of my district. Okay, and you remember that because these names must always start with the capital letter, so you have to start writing the first letter of the word with the capital. Clear, children? So this is your homework. Everybody have to do this. Even the last exercise also you have to copy, and this exercise also you have to do. Okay, and the last one is the place where I live is called. What do we call your place as? No, like I live in Hyderabad. Okay, so I say that the place where I live is called as Hyderabad. Okay, like this. Next, Rani has got 3 new pets. She is trying to give their names. Can you suggest 3 different names for each pet? Okay, see, Rani has got 3 new pets, it seems. Okay, and she want to name them. Okay, she is asking our help. She is asking us to name her pets. Okay, what shall I call my dog? What shall I call my dog? And another one is, what shall I call my parrot? Okay, and what shall I call my cat? So what are the 3 pets she got? Those are dog, parrot and cat. So we have to give 3 different names. Okay, for example, dog. What shall we call him? The dog, like we can say tiger. Okay, tiger. And you will be also having some pet dogs. Like in the beginning we said it is Blackie. The dog name is Blackie. We can also call it as Juhu. Okay, any name, your wish. The only thing is here, because these are the names, so we'll call them as proper noun. This you have to remember. We call them as proper noun, and we have to start writing the first letter of the word with the capital letter. Okay, what shall I call my parrot? Any name you can give. Even the cat also, any name you can give. Clear, children? So okay. So here also, like name 4 places you have visited. Like any name, places name, children? Like you know Hyderabad. Okay, you know Bangalore, Chennai. Okay, Mumbai. Place names. Okay, name 2 places you would like to visit. Which places you would like to visit? Okay, America. Shall we? Okay, like America or some other country, Russia. Okay, like this. So these type of names are all called as proper nouns. Clear, children? Yes, children, clear? Like as we said, a common noun is a general name given to a person, thing, place or a animal or an animal. Okay, whereas a proper noun is a special name given to a person, thing, an animal or a place. Okay, clear? Now let us see some more information about nouns. In the sense here, so we are having some sentences. Let us read them. There is a bird in the tree. The hunters are looking for it. They can't see the bird because it is hiding in the branches. The big hunter is carrying a gun. The small hunter is carrying 2 guns. See here, children, if you observe, some words in these sentences are highlighted. Are highlighted in the sense are mentioned in different colors. See here, bird, hunters, again here bird, branches, hunter, again here hunter, and here guns. No, these are highlighted. So here we said bird, and here hunters, again branches, again hunter, again guns. So are you able to find the difference of these nouns? Yes, what are they? Some nouns are written in singular form and some nouns are written in plural form. Singular form is only one. Plural form is more than one. Okay, children, we'll see how it is. Clear? Singular and plural. We are learning about singular and plural. See here. Now discuss why some nouns end in S and some do not. So why some end in S and some do not end in S. See, if you see here, so we are having some examples. Bird, here hunter, then gun. Okay, and tree. Here hunters, branches, guns, then trees. Okay, then trees. Suppose if you see here, this is bird, one singular animal, that is bird. Here hunter, again singular, only one. Gun, only one. Tree, only gun, only one. Sorry. Here hunters, in the sense more than one. More than one. Branches, more than one branch. Guns, more than one gun. Okay, tree, more than one tree. Okay, so here these nouns are ending with S, are ending with this S alphabet. In the sense, if we are ending that noun with S alphabet, it means that there are more than one. They are more than one in number. Okay, children, understood? So this one is like singular and plural. If it is only one, we will not end it with S. If it is more than one, we will end it with S. So here, singular noun means one. As I said, singular noun means one. Plural noun means more than one. No, plural noun means more than one. So many plural nouns end with the letter S. So many plural nouns end with the letter S. Okay. So here, for example, as we said, hunter is only one. So boy, one. Girl, one. No, like that. And here hunters, it is a plural noun. Why? Because we are adding S here. No. So same like that. Boys, girls. Singular is only one boy, that is boy. If we are plural, more than one boy, then we'll say it as boys, plural form. Girl means only one girl. Plural form for girl, that is girls. Yes, we have added S here, more than one. So like that. So some nouns end with S when they are plural in number, that is more than one in number. So like that, some end with ES, IES, that we are going to learn in further classes. Okay, children, but now what you have to remember is that, so nouns, if they are plural in form, that is more than one, then we will be adding S letter to that particular noun, as we have given the example here, like hunter. Okay, then hunters, boy, boys, girl, girls, place, places. No. Okay, clear, children? Okay. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for live classes schedules, recorded videos of live sessions and other notifications. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.